Welcome to another episode. Today we take you to a Pakistani restaurant called Shahi Kitchen, and they have a wonderful buffet spread for us. Let's go in.
Correct.
ये तातिस है, ये नान रोड है, ये प्लेन राइस है, ये ब्राउन राइस है, ये शिकलिन तंदूरी है, शिकलिन कुरमा, लैम्ब बालिक।
लैम्ब बालिक है
जी,
ये पाकिस्तानी स्पेशल है
जी।
हाँ
ये बीफ कोफ्ते, ये स्क्वाश पतातिस है, वेजिटेरियन है।
हाँ
ये दाल है, ये पकौड़ा।
ओह फैंटास्टिक।
इटालियन पिज़्ज़ा भी आपको मिलेगा।
हाँ वो इटालियन ही लग रहा है एकदम जेन्युइन।
जी परफेक्ट। जो भी इंग्रेडिएंट्स हम डालते हैं वो 100% इटालियन।
100% okay. So you can see I've taken some pakoras, Italian pizza, tandoori chicken, lamb, and there's kofta. Very, very tasty. Now is the tandoori chicken. Really good. Pakoda. Everything is really tasty. The pakoda is nice and crispy. Really enjoy it. And what do we have? Let me try the pizza. The pizza is just awesome. I wouldn't say it's like an Italian pizza, but proper Desi style pizza. Nice spicy.
Okay, so now it's my second round. And I'm going with the main course, some pulao, some special dal, chicken, and I've really enjoyed these pakoras. Roll of heaven. There's fish, little white fish sauce, very creamy and tasty, and I can see some chicken gravy. I can see what name it was, but let me just try it out. That is simply awesome. Hi, what's your name?
Yes.
Hi, Tess. So, looks like you're enjoying the Asian food, Pakistani, Indian food out here.
Yeah, I love it. I have come there for 3 days now.
Wow,
Monday,
you.
Tuesday, Wednesday.
That's a lot of loving this food.
I love it.
Okay, and how do you like the spice level? I mean, compared to the Swedish food.
You can't compare it to Swedish food.
But you're okay with the level of spice, you're fine.
Of course I am. It's sometimes it's surprising, of course, but then you have the bread, so you can take it down a bit.
Perfect.
But it's if you're happy with this spicy.
Great. Would you recommend this place?
For sure. I recommend Shahi Kitchen.
Oh, great. And we've got 2 more days of the week. So you're going to come over, yeah?
I'm quite sure, yes.
Great. Okay, very nice talking to you. Yeah? All the best. Bye. Shahi Kitchen also has a sweets section. Let's go and see what they have for us today.
चूर लड्डू हैं, बेसन की बर्फी है, और उसके बाद बिस्किट्स हैं।
ओके, नमकीन भी है।
जी, नमकीन बिस्किट भी है, मीठे बिस्किट भी है, हलवा बर्फी है, गाजर का हलवा है।
ये क्या चीज़ है यहाँ पे?
ये रसमलाई।
ओ रसमलाई भी रखते हो आप?
हाँ, रसमलाई भी
तो
है।
आप इंडियन और पाकिस्तानी दोनों?
इंडियन और पाकिस्तानी दोनों।
गुलाब जामुन बहुत टेस्ट लग रहा है आपका। वेरी गुड। और जलेबी भी बढ़िया लग रहा है आपका।
जी।
शाही किचन एंड स्वीट्स।